In this video, I'll show you how to download a file in Gamma AI. From your dashboard, open the presentation that you want to download. Then go to the upper right corner and click the three dots. And then from there, select Export. And then here you can choose the type of file that you want it to be downloaded as. For example, let's choose this one, PNG right here. Once you click it, your file will start downloading. Just take note that if you're using a free account, your download will include a Made with Gamma badge, and you can upgrade if you want to remove it. Also, make sure your fonts are installed before downloading so everything shows up correctly. So as you can see, our file has been downloaded, and that's how you download a file in Gamma AI. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video was helpful.